let's draw Santa. We're going to start with a circle in the middle of the paper. Then we're going to make bumps come out of the circle and go all the way around. We're going to put a little U under the circle. Okay, now starting right here, we're going to make a curved line this side and a curved line on this side. Okay, and now we're going to make a big upside down U on top of that curve. Okay, inside there we're going to put an oval sort of colored in for the eye. On top of each of those, we're going to put kind of a jelly bean shape for an eyebrow. Okay, now for the hat, we're going to put a straight line on this side and a straight line on that side. And connect them with a curved line, and if it goes by the eyebrows, don't go through the eyebrow. Skip it so it doesn't make a line through your eyebrow. And on the top. Now we're going to finish the hat. I don't have a lot of room. If you have more room, you can draw the whole curved line. But I don't have a lot of room, so I'm just going to start my curved line, imagine how it goes, and then finish it over here. Now from his beard to his hat, we're going to make the side of his face. Some more bumps for his hair. And his ears. Curved line over here. Curved line over here. Alright, we're almost done. We're just going to make a puff ball here for the end of his hat. And we're going to make a line on this side for shoulder, a line on this side for shoulder, and then 2 lines down the middle for the white fur on his coat. And there we have our little Santa.